So in this video I'm going to be doing a panel to glass conversion on this Peugeot Partner. I'm going to be putting a window in here. It's a half sliding window. It's the same as a Citroen Berlingo. This is the glass here. So it's a half slider, opens rear to front. So I've emptied the back of the van. I've just put a sheet in the bottom of it. I'm going to sheet the exterior up. Morning.
Hi.
So I've just drilled at the four corners, or at any corner that's got an angle coming for it, because I'm going to use this narrow blade that I've ground down to do the corners first. Cut all the corners, I can just put a standard blade on and cut all the straight edges. So I'm just marking the top and bottom support bar here because I've got to be cutting right through that. I've already measured up the size. So I'm basically just following the inner skin on this one. I'm having to do a voiceover because somebody turned up and decided they want to clean up around the van, and I just thought I'll have to do a voiceover over this video. So as you can see, I'm just doing the straight edges with a standard blade. And I managed to get a window at the frame on the sliding window. I managed to get one that's small enough to fit in this hole when you just follow the inner skin. But I know through past experience that some of the windows you get for these, the opening part of it, you've got to take more bodywork away. So you've got to do a bit more measuring up. Taking just the standard inner skin, the outer skin away isn't big enough. So just be aware of that if you ever do it. Now that's me cut the panel out. I'm just going to go tidy up the edge with my finger file. Just make sure there's no sharp edges and everything's straight. So I'll just spend 5-10 minutes on that, just tidying it up. So that's the bare metal edge all tidied up. And I've just cleaned up around the edge, and I'm just going to put some black all-in-one primer over the bare metal edge just to stop it rusting. Just make sure you cover up all the bare metal. And I'm just going to blow out remove the sheet. I'm just going to, there's no more cutting or anything like that, so I'm just going to blow out any debris that's inside the vehicle. And I can put my edge trim on it. That just goes over the two metal skins. And that's just a nice tidy finish, covers up any bare metal. And I'll just cut it a little bit too big. So when I fold it back and push it on at the end, it tightens up. Tightens up all the way around it. And you can buy this, there's a couple of links in the description, but you can buy this from Camper Glass in the link in the description. Different sizes of edge trim, or just campers sell it as well. I'm just cleaning both surfaces, the glass and the bodywork, just taking away any dirt or moisture or any contaminants off both surfaces. And I'll just use my all-in-one primer, put that around the edge of the glass where the bond line's going to be. Just put that all the way around the edge of the glass and over the drainage channels. That's what those two black plastic pieces are at the bottom. And I'll do the same on the bodywork. Just coming in about 20 millimeters all the way around, just so there's no overspill on the outside or the inside when I put my polyurethane bead on it, because it's a trimless window. And I just apply the polyurethane with my Milwaukee caulking gun, and we just apply this with a high V point, with a V-shaped bead, just so it's a high pointed bead, and just join up the two joins to make sure it's not going to leak. And that's it. Basically just push that straight into the bond there, just guide it up into place. It can only go into one position, just leaving a couple of millimetre gap all the way around, and just push it firmly in. And when you're happy with the position, just tape it up. And I'll just tell the customer to leave that tape on for a couple of hours. And that's it. Simple as that. Just make sure that the slider's opening fine. And that's it, job done. Thanks for watching.